Here we present our diesel version of the LT20 sawmill with a 22 horsepower engine and manual hydraulic log loader. The LT20 is built using our patented monorail cantilevered head design, which was pioneered by Wood-Mızer. The sawmill bed is well built and roadworthy in towing applications. Thanks to its light construction, the machine can be easily and safely towed to the place of operation, even behind a medium-sized car. A more powerful off-road vehicle can transport the sawmill deep into a forest on simple dirt and forest roads. To prepare the sawmill for operation, remove the safety railing and light bar needed during travel, and quickly level the sawmill with the adjustable leg supports. It takes only a few minutes. The blade quality has a huge effect on the efficient and precise operation of the sawmill. The blade must be correctly installed and tensioned. We recommend using Wood-Mızer double hard blades, manufactured to stringent ISO 9000 standards. With the use of a manual hydraulic pump, even a heavy log can be loaded onto the sawmill bed. While loading the log, adjustable side supports prevent the log from rolling off, and later hold the log secure while cutting. Loading is easy and safe. With the use of additional handling accessories, the material can be easily rotated, leveled, and clamped in place for cutting. A log, even of a large diameter, can be easily placed in the optimal cutting position. Startup of the sawmill is simple. The height of the head is controlled by an electric up-down system. By using the scale, precise sawn dimensions can be achieved. The Ford reverse feed system is electrically driven and enables smooth adjustment of the cutting speed, depending on the type of timber processed. The operator controls the cutting process at all times while moving with the cutting head. Thanks to the blade cleaning system, blade life is prolonged, and a high-quality cut is constantly maintained. Proper positioning of the blade guide arm eliminates vibrations during sawing, thereby ensuring a precise cut. Our monorail cantilevered head design guides the cutting head for smooth and repeatable cuts. If you wish, you can cut a very thin and long veneer. Mobile construction, electric feed systems, manual hydraulic log loading, easy in handling, accurate in cutting, and safe in operation. This is the LT20 sawmill with a diesel engine. For more detailed information, please contact your nearest Wood-Mızer representative.